Alright guys, this is the Harbor Freight's battery cables, but it comes with a battery tester. So I'm going to show you how to use the battery tester. It's item number 60278. Comes with a nifty bag as well. Alright, so first off, we're not connecting it to a vehicle because we're not charging the battery. We're just testing out the cables. So I've got both of these connected to nothing, just a normal board. This side, here's the battery cables. And this is the little battery tester right here. So it's got alternator on top. It's got high, good, and low. So with the car not running, you're testing the battery. So black on black, red on red. So if you can see it, it's highlighting in the middle, which is good. And this battery is 2 years old, so it's not on high. It should be on good. Now we're going to be testing the alternator. Again, it's not connected to another vehicle, it's just connected to a block, and we're going to connect the to check the alternator. With the car running, once again. Black on black, red on red. And if you notice, the alternator light is turned on. If it was turned off, that means you got a bad alternator. If you notice also as well, the battery goes from good to high. That you're not testing the battery right now, you're only testing the alternator. It's showing high because the alternator is charging it up, so it's got a good charge. If we turned off the battery or the car just like I showed you before, it would have been highlighted on good. But this is how you use the battery tester and alternator tester. Alright, out.